We are going to a fantastic place.
Era rilassata col naso, non ti preoccupare. Stai tranquilla.
Oh! What's going on here? Che ti è successo in faccia? There's a strong wind outside. It's 4 a.m. Che?
Guarda che bello, guarda, esci, guarda,
Sì.
wow, non ho mai visto una cosa del genere.
I'm Viera. And this is Aldo.
Yeah!
And this is our tiny home on wheels, Toto. We have been driving around the world for the past 4 years, visiting over 50 countries on 5 continents. Witnessing with our own eyes how beautiful, but at the same time how fragile our world is. Click on the subscribe button and join our adventure.
Buongiorno everyone.
Buongiorno a tutti.
We are going to a fantastic place, a place that we never been, a place which was not even in our plans to visit, but a good friend of ours that probably is watching this video right now suggested us to go, and we couldn't resist the temptation.
We are now going to give you a clue. Are you thinking we're gonna put Toto in a container, eh? You're thinking we're gonna put Toto in a container.
For sure.
No. Okay, I'm gonna give you another clue then.
Mi serve, visto che fanno il giro del mondo. Stanno facendo il giro.
Allora, rilassato col naso. Perfetto, fermo, così. Fino in gola, ottimo.
Mamma mia.
Se lo dobbiamo fare bene.
Va bene.
Vera, tocca a te.
Buon divertimento. Mamma mia.
Era rilassata col naso, non ti preoccupare. Stai tranquilla. Bravissimo, ferma. Era number one.
Com'è?
A little bit of suspense, but later on we will reveal the place where we are going.
So we are on a ship. That's not just for Toto, but for the three of us. We are all by ourselves on this ferry boat, and it looks like we are on a mega yacht. At first, this may seem like every traveler's dream, having a big cruise ship for you, but honestly, it's now a few months that we're traveling kind of like this, that there is nobody around, and you look at all this seat empty, and there is just the crew members, some transporters.
Just feels weird, like abandoned ships, and it just
It's a bit sad.
doesn't have the life, the energy of people that people bring with it. So it's just sad. We just wanted to share this thought.
Yeah,
with you.
we are feeling a bit down. Yeah, we wanted just to share it because obviously, we are still moving somehow, traveling, exploring, but we miss what it used to be before, the way it used to be before. So we really hope that soon the pandemic will be more under control and people will start to travel with more freedom and live their life again.
We are almost there. We are in Sardinia! We passed all the checks, COVID test negative, the registration, everything went smooth, okay, and we are free to explore Sardinia.
Hey, Ardegi, look who's here. What you cooking?
Russian potatoes with eggs. Delicious.
That really looks nice, honestly, actually.
Yeah. It smells good as well.
So you are not just looking at the beach down there. The final touch, a couple of eggs. These are super organic eggs. My father hands eggs. They actually eat very well. He spends a lot in feed for them. And you can see the difference, you can tell it. Look at the yolk, so red. Grazie Papa, thank you Papa.
Thank you, Papa. Delicious.
Buon appetito. It's getting all covered here, looks like a storm is coming. We need to remove everything and put everything inside, and so everything will be okay. It was a bit scary for a few minutes, you know, again, lightning. So these lightnings are going inside into the water, and it started some hailstorm. There we go. We thought it was finishing. The rain has slowed down a bit, but I think we're gonna sit here for a little bit longer just to see what happens. We switched off all the electronic devices, computer, mobile phone, and actually now I think I'm gonna switch off the GoPro. You never know. Oh! The rain has changed direction. It looks like the thunderstorm are coming this way again. There is some blue sky there, but the wind is blowing from this point of view from right to left. It's all gray. This is not looking good. Okay.
Guarda che bello, wow, esci. Guarda,
See,
wow, non ho mai visto una cosa del genere.
the sun after the storm. We got the rainbow right in front of our eyes. Beautiful.
Wow, what an amazing. Wow.
Oh, you're speechless.
I'm speechless. What an amazing spectacle of nature. This is just one of the best, most beautiful rainbow I saw in my entire life combined. It's just
Bellissimo. Well, very good. We can put back the solar panel now. More? What's going on here? Ah, that's your secret, yeah? Stuff looks like glue for wallpaper. There's a strong wind outside. It's 4 a.m. It's about 30 knots. And after the thunderstorms, we thought it was over, but now it's continuing. If you can hear and see the little tent here moving, The car is shaking completely. I'm going out to see if there is a little bit more cover placed just nearby. Ready? So I walked a few minutes. In here it looks like it's a bit quieter, a little bit, it should be better. Facing the wind. I can see the Milky Way, it's fantastic. Here is much better, we are protected by this bush, a little bit better. That's much better here. Still windy, but you can feel the difference. The car is not shaking that much, and we're finally gonna get some sleep. Vera is there sleeping already, so I'm gonna switch light off. Very good. Sometimes you got to move in the middle of the night. You never know what can happen, so it's alright. Today it's all another story. It's so beautiful up here. Look at that. The sea is calm, no breeze, just a little breeze, no wind. Hey, amore, we finally start to enjoy Sardinia.
Spectacular. I would like to jump right from here, you know, inside the water. It looks so appealing. Beautiful, beautiful. So I think that after a few days being here and having survived a strong thunderstorm and witnessing the most beautiful rainbow ever, and being woken up in the middle of the night to move the car because the wind was very strong, it's about time to go and see what's going on up there. Wow. There is a bit of a climb here, but up there we should be arrived. The path is a bit hidden. Looks like not many people come up here. At least haven't for a while. Here we are. So after that little climb there, you get to the tower. This is a Capo Boi Tower. Coming from Cagliari, it's the third tower of a system of 8 towers. It was built in 1591 by the Aragonese to protect the southern coast of Sardinia from the invasions. Very interesting fact is that it doesn't have a door entrance, so the guards would climb with a ladder inside from one of the windows, and then they will pull the ladder in so nobody could get in. It's built of mortar and granite, and it's about 10 meters high, and also it's positioned strategically so you can see the towers nearby.
We've got one right there at the end of that tip. I don't know if you can see it with the GoPro, and we got another one just right there at that tip there.
This way they could communicate between the towers, probably using some signals like smoke. Very smart, this Aragonese.